Today I'm making honey mustard chicken with boiled potatoes. I don't know why, I've been thinking about this chicken for the whole week and finally had it today and I'm in heaven. So first you want to set your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Add honey to a bowl. I'm using Dijon mustard for this, but you can use any mustard. I think some people even use whole grain mustard. Add some salt, a little drizzle of olive oil, and give it a good stir. Now I'm using chicken thigh for this, but you can use chicken breast too. I think should be alright. Pour the sauce all over the chicken. Make sure it covers every inch of your piece of chicken. And pop it inside the oven. It should take 30 to 40 minutes. Today I was not as lazy as I was yesterday, so I peeled them and washed them. Add some water to a pot and add your potatoes to the pot. Add some salt and let it boil. Now the chicken is done. Take it out. And to ensure that it stays juicy, put aluminium foil all over it and cover it with a tea towel. That should do it. Now the potatoes are also done, so drain them. Add them to a bowl. I'm getting hungry just watching this again. And add butter to it. Now you want to do this while the potatoes are still steaming hot because you want the butter to melt all over the potatoes. Give it a stir. This part is optional, but I like to have a little dill with my potatoes. Stir, stir, stir. And it's time to plate. Pour the gravy all over your chicken. My goodness, I'm hungry again. And then there you are. You're ready to eat. Don't forget to subscribe.